I get paid to daydream and it works. My fantasies flirt with the universe. I manifest in silk pajamas, matcha in hand, turning wild ideas into direct deposits, just as planned. My lips part, my eyes become wild, desires drip from my consciousness. I'm not here to play mild, I'm the plot twist, the wild child. I get paid to daydream and pleasure's my muse. I cash in on craving, every vision's a tease, every wish is infused with ease. I lounge in power, with silk sheets in my head, because abundance loves to undress me and pull me straight to bed. I get paid to daydream, and my thoughts wear lace. I manifest kisses and success in my space. The world gets a fever when I purr out a plan, because I'm the main character, the fantasy, the femme fatale brand. I get paid to daydream and my inbox gets steamy. Opportunities beg, every offer is dreamy. My energy's velvet, my vibe is pure fire. I whisper my wants, and the universe conspires. I get paid to daydream, and my mind's in command. I play with reality, I tease with my hand. Every thought is a secret, every wish is a sin. I'm the fantasy they crave, I'm the original win. I get paid to daydream, and I do it with sass. My aura's a temptress, my presence high class. I'm the headline, the scandal, the reason they ache. I make daydreams blush, and realities break. I get paid to daydream, and I do it with heat. My energy's silk, my confidence sweet. I'm the main event, the spark, the forbidden view. I dream it, I own it, and the world wants it too. Overflow is my baseline. I laugh, I win, I repeat. My daydreams fund me, and reality bows at my feet.